Welcome, dear viewer, to Learn.with.ai. In this mesmerizing episode, we are embarking on an extraordinary expedition into the heart of India's cultural landscape, its festivals. Join us as we dive deep into the colorful tapestry of traditions, rituals, and celebrations that define this diverse and spiritually rich land. India, a country known for its unity in diversity, is a land where every festival is a celebration of life itself. From the snow-clad peaks of the Himalayas to the tropical shores of the south, the entire nation pulsates with the rhythm of its festivals. Part 1. Celebrating Onam in God's own country. Our journey begins in the lush green landscapes of Kerala, where the festival of Onam paints the canvas of life with vibrant hues. Onam, a 10-day harvest festival, celebrates the mythical King Mahabali's annual visit to his kingdom. Streets adorned with puklams, intricate flower carpets, set the tone for the festivities. Families unite to prepare the grand Onam Sadhya, a lavish feast served on banana leaves. Part 2. Baisakhi harvesting joy in Punjab. In the heartland of Punjab, the air is filled with the spirit of Baisakhi, a festival that marks the harvest season and holds deep religious significance for Sikhs. Vibrant processions, energetic bhangra dances, and hearty feasts bring communities together. Baisakhi celebrates the agricultural abundance and cultural heritage of the region. Part 3. Durga Puja triumph of goodness. Bengal comes alive with the fervor of Durga Puja, a festival that honors the goddess's victory over the demon Mahishasura. Elaborate pandals house artistic idols of goddess Durga, while the streets resonate with the beats of dhak drums and cultural performances. The immersion of idols on Vijayadashami marks the grand finale of the festival. Part 4. Lohari embracing the winter sun. In the northern plains, Lohari brings warmth to the chilly winters. People gather around bonfires, tossing offerings of peanuts and sesame seeds into the flames. Traditional songs, energetic dances, and a delightful distribution of reverie and gajak create an atmosphere of merriment and camaraderie. Part 5. Rath Yatra chariot revelry in Puri. The state of Odisha witnesses the grandeur of Rath Yatra, where massive chariots carry the idols of Lord Jagannath in a splendid procession. Devotees from all walks of life join in this spiritual event, pulling the chariots through the streets of Puri. Rath Yatra is a harmonious blend of devotion, tradition, and community bonding. Part 6. Diwali illuminating the festival of lights. Dhanteras marks the commencement of Diwali, the festival of lights. Homes are adorned with oil lamps and decorative lights, and the night sky comes alive with a dazzling display of fireworks. Diwali signifies the victory of light over darkness and good over evil. Part 7. Raksha Bandhan sacred sibling bond. Raksha Bandhan celebrates the sacred bond between brothers and sisters. Sisters tie colorful threads, rakhis, around their brothers' wrists, and brothers pledge to protect them. The exchange of gifts and heartfelt emotions adds a touch of warmth and affection to this beautiful festival. Part 8. Navroz, a fresh beginning for Parsis. Navroz, the Parsi New Year, marks a fresh beginning for the Parsi community. Families gather for special prayers, feasting, and cultural events. Navroz signifies renewal, optimism, and the embrace of new opportunities. Part 9. Karwa Chauth fasting for spousal blessings. Karwa Chauth is a unique festival where married women fast from sunrise to moonrise, praying for the well-being of their husbands. The fast is broken after sighting the moon, followed by a traditional meal. Karwa Chauth beautifully reflects the essence of love and dedication between spouses. Part 10. Makar Sankranti welcoming the sun's journey. Makar Sankranti marks the sun's transition into the Capricorn zodiac sign, signifying the end of the winter solstice. The festival is celebrated with kite flying, bonfires, and traditional sweets. Makar Sankranti symbolizes the importance of light and warmth in our lives. Part 11. Eid, a feast of unity and gratitude. Eid ul-Fitr, celebrated by the Muslim community, marks the end of Ramadan, the holy month of fasting. Families come together for prayers, feasting, and the exchange of gifts. Eid is a time of unity, gratitude, and sharing the blessings of life. Part 12. Pongal honoring nature's bounty. Down south in Tamil Nadu, Pongal celebrates the harvest and pays homage to the sun god. The traditional preparation of a sweet rice dish called Pongal, the decoration of homes, and the joyful Pongal Jallikattu, bull taming, event are integral parts of this vibrant festival. Part 13. Holi, a carnival of colors. Holi, the Festival of Colors, is celebrated with exuberance across India. People playfully drench each other in colored water and smear vibrant powders, marking the victory of good over evil. Holi exemplifies the spirit of inclusivity, as all barriers of caste and creed are temporarily forgotten. As we conclude our journey through India's kaleidoscope of festivals, we're reminded that these celebrations are threads that weave the fabric of our society. They transcend geographical boundaries, connecting us to our roots and uniting us in joy, love, and cultural heritage. If the allure of India's vibrant festivals has captivated you, don't forget to subscribe to Learn.with.ai for more enriching cultural explorations. Share your favorite festival memories and traditions in the comments below. Until our next celebration of life, let's keep the festive spirit alive and spread the message of unity and diversity. Thank you for joining us on this incredible voyage through India's festival mosaic. Stay connected, stay festive, and keep celebrating the colors of life. For more enriching content and exciting cultural explorations, make sure to subscribe to Learn.with.ai and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Join us on this journey to unravel the tapestry of India's festivals and uncover the beauty of its diverse traditions. Until next time, keep embracing the spirit of celebration and cherishing the joys of life.